Yes, I saw the video where Very Dark Man do concerning Prophet Jeremiah. So I want to ask Very Dark Man, all the churches in Nigeria and all the Daddy GO where they for Nigeria, where they sell spiritual, all this olive oil, anointing water, from hanky, and all these things they used to play. Very Dark Man, why do you choose Prophet Jeremiah? Why do you choose Prophet Jeremiah to destroy your fellow human being? Prophet Jeremiah, where they, even in Africa, in this country called Nigeria, they can't help where this man they help poor people. And other ministers of God are using the same thing now. You people are accusing him, are using the same thing. You leave them. Go the face Prophet Jeremiah. Yes, make una less. Prophet Jeremiah no be the problem of Nigeria. Make una leave this man alone. Why when they drag him? Only him they sell olive oil, anointing water, soap, and all those things. Why when they disturb that man? Soap never come out when they drag him online. What did they do, Nigerians? What did they do, you people? Why when they drag innocent man? All the church where they for Nigeria, where they sell spiritual olive oil, anointing water, and all those things. Why you not drag them online? Because of people who are accusing Prophet Jeremiah online. Now you want to join them to accuse him. Because of people who are dragging him, you want to join them to drag. Okay, Prophet Jeremiah not be your problem. Even Roman Catholic now, if you go to their church now, there are all these incense where they used to play, and all these many Pentecostal churches are using it. Even all these white garment churches. Why not go to their church? You choose Prophet Jeremiah. Prophet Jeremiah, now someone has dragged TB Joshua, drag and the man die. Now when they talk say TB Joshua is a good man of God, oh, he's helping people. Prophet Jeremiah, where they are alive now, where they do the same thing where Prophet TB Joshua they do. When they drag and very wicked country. If you see a good person where they do good in Nigeria, when I go find how when I go feel destroy that person. Prophet Jeremiah not be the problem of Nigeria. You back, never back. Where do you know concerning spiritual thing? Are you a pastor or are you a native doctor? Tell me what do you know concerning spiritual thing. What did they do this guy? Is it because of the people, though there are some good work we are doing? You will not use because of if they do some good work, people they respect you, people they hear you. You can now talk to anybody the way you want to talk to anybody. What do you know about the spiritual your spiritual thing? A carnal mind cannot understand the things of the spirit. What do you understand the things of the spirit? And you are asking him that he will tell you what he use, what they call him, why he come, why that soap they do this one, why that water they do this one. Okay, what do you understand concerning the things of the spirit?